Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
We love you.
Cause you know me, you know me, you know me. Every time you try to forget who I am, I'll be right there to remind you again. You know me, you know me, you know me. Why don't you shake some for the gun, don't you break none, baby girl, don't you work some for the gun, don't you hurt none, baby girl, don't you shake some.
What's going on, people? It's your boy FND. I'm out here in Abu Dhabi. Back in the ends, feels good. So I'm out here for work at the moment. Just a quick short little trip for Luxury Network. Filmed an event there last night at the Emirates Palace, so make sure you check that out on my social media, Instagram, FND TV. So yeah, I'm out here at the moment for some work. Obviously on my ones. Work done now. So I haven't been vlogging while I've been here so far, but I thought I'd vlog today. It's my last night tonight. Smashed out work, had a little bit of a pool day today, got a bit of sun and that, you know what I mean, and now going to Vox in Yas Mall, just for a little chill like back in the days, old days, you know what I mean. So I thought let me take you guys with me. Taxi please. Please, yeah, thanks. Thanks bro. Here I am, Vox Cinemas, Yas Mall, Abu Dhabi. Oh man, the memories. You feel it, guys. I know you guys know. You veterans that watch the channel. Bloody hell, lads, bloody hell, we're back. Hello, how are you? So yes bro, of course. No, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, you have YouTube channel?
Yeah.
For what?
Just videos on YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, just small videos, but the nice guys.
Okay, your movie will be in theater free.
Yeah. Thank you.
One of my colleagues will be here to assist you.
Okay, thank you very much. The menu here. We've got some good food here, made by that guy. What's his name? Guy Rhodes. That's why they call it Theatre by Rhodes. Used to be called Vox Gold back in the day. This guy came in and started smashing it up. Now he's got his own cinema, pretty much. There's nothing on at the cinema, but I wanted to just come in because I've got nothing else to do tonight, so I thought let me come watch a movie. So we're watching Maleficent. I wanted to watch Terminator, the new Terminator, but it's not until 11, man. I don't want to stay around until 11. They should give me all 10s here. I'm not wanted, it looks like I'm wanted, but it's just 10s, mate. It's always special. Whenever I come to the UAE, I've definitely got to come check out Vox. You should too. I'm not sponsored by the way, but I should be sponsored. These guys should sponsor me for sure, man. But yeah, it feels good to be back. I keep saying that, man. But like I said, so many memories of this place. Good memories, but not like very sad, like tarnished memories. Tarnished because of the loss of my mother. Tarnished because we don't live here anymore. But we have all the memories from it, you know what I mean? So when we come back, it's like, it hits you kind of hard, you know what I mean? That such a big part of my life was spent here. It's not nothing negative or anything like that, you know what I mean? It's just like, whoa, bloody hell, I've been in the UK now like 2 years. I think 2 and a bit years, I don't know. And you come back and I'm like, well, I can't believe I lived here. And I used to smash it here, bro. You guys know watching the vlogs. I can't believe I used to live here. Now I come back, I'm like, I remember always getting messages from people saying, bro, you smashing, you're killing it, this and that. And I only realise now. Hello.
Have some complimentary.
Thank you.
This is some mixed nuts and dried cranberries.
Huh?
A drink, it's called Mai Tai.
Mai Tai.
Yeah, it's lemon, orange, pineapple, and some almond.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Mai Tai. Just check out the Mai Tai. Mighty Mai Tai. Oh, better swap hands. But I get annoyed when I use my left hand to eat and drink. Let's down it in one, lads, yeah? Mighty Mai Tai shots, yeah? Not bad, not bad. Some of these nuts.
Long time you're back.
Yeah, I'm living in the UK now, but but I'm visiting for work, so I have to come visit you guys.
They just closed now.
Yeah.
We have always feared Elsa's powers were too much for this world. Now we must hope. They are enough.
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
I won't let anything happen to her.
And we open the blind.
Sure, thanks. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much.
And you know about the button and everything.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you. Hakkasan Terrace. That's really famous. Come, bro. Sit.
لا تصوير لا ما في
Come, bro. Vlog. Come, sit down.
ما في
How are
no
you?
تصوير no view.
Okay, just me. Are you okay?
Don't
No, just me, just me.
Okay.
How are you? Okay.
I'm not okay.
Why? What's up?
I'm full drunk. I invite you for some
Yeah. What's your name?
Russian.
Rashid. Harris.
Harris?
Harris, yeah.
Where are you from?
UK.
You British?
Yeah, well, Pakistani, English Pakistani mix.
Yes, okay. You're not a British.
I'm British passport, but I'm mixed.
Yes,
Yeah,
you're British passport, but not British. Okay.
No,
Now I will sit.
Okay.
I feel okay.
Okay.
What do you record?
Just for YouTube, my YouTube channel.
You have YouTube?
Yeah.
You are famous, yani, or what?
No, I'm not famous. I just do it for myself. Yeah.
Sorry I bother you, huh?
No. I was alone. Anyways, okay. You're alone?
Yes,
Oh, okay. You're from here or you're visiting?
I'm from here.
Okay.
How long you are here? You just visit or you are...
I live here before. Now I live in UK. I come for work.
Yeah, you mean here?
Huh?
You are here.
No, I'm leaving tomorrow.
I know you're leaving tomorrow, but you will come back for
Yeah,
work.
for work, yeah.
You don't miss...
No, I come back as much as possible.
Sorry, I'm drunk.
Yes, oh, you're drunk? Yeah, okay.
You've been with the hot place, cold place now,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka. Okay. Yes, please. I want food. You are on the. You record that. You
Yeah.
put in the.
No, just little clips on for YouTube.
Then I will join with you on YouTube. It's okay?
Yeah. You gonna be on?
Yes, please.
Let's do it.
No.
You don't want to be on? Okay.
I will watch you
Okay. Yeah. Watch. Yeah.
and give you like.
Yes, please.
Okay. What do you do on the YouTube?
I make video. I'll show you. You have YouTube.
Yes, please.
This one.
You are you.
Yeah.
What do you do? Come on, you are very big one.
It's my son.
Take this, Dodo, because you've got one in your bag.
MashaAllah.
Yes, you need it.
MashaAllah. I will do this.
Thank you, bro. Subscriber, thank you.
Can I send to my friend?
Of course.
Okay, no problem.
No problem.
This is your wife?
My wife, yeah. English. But Muslim.
How many baby you have?
3.
MashaAllah.
Yeah, big shot of fireworks in Bradford. Come check them out. Doing a big fireworks show in the garden today. Got the kids with me. Come on, let's go back to fireworks, come on. Check out in here. Flipping hell. It's like a toy shop. Here's Hanif.
Oh yeah.
Sorting me out some fireworks.
Definitely.
What's the brother's name?
Zaid.
Zaid, nice to meet you, bro. So sorting me out some fireworks, bro. I'm gonna do a big show in the garden today, yeah?
Yeah, no problem.
Let's do it, man.
Stop putting your package together.
Thank you, man. Get some of these Roman candles as well. These I've seen these in Dubai, man. They were holding them. Some kids were holding them. They're firing them out. Look pretty sick. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Big shot of fireworks. What's your name? Zidane. Nice to meet you. Let's see the back. Look at that. Sick hoodie, man. Bad boy. You're the big shot, yeah?
We've got our own range here this year.
These you made yourself, yeah? These your own?
Ourselves. We've got Riga, Warsaw, Game Over, Mendy Madness, Shadi Mubarak, the Big Shot Special, Noisy Neighbour, God of Thunder. We've got On the Run, Hell on Earth, Gold Digger, Big Shot Warzone, and then the Big Boy Toys.
Big boy toys. Sick, man.
No one beats on the run.
On the run.
Baddest firework going.
Is it, yeah?
Baddest firework going. No one can touch that.
Nice,
Not
man.
one firework in that room trip.
Right. Come check out if you want to buy fireworks. Come get that one on the run. Nora, don't touch.
Let me take that off.
Hey, don't touch. Give that back. Give it back.
Thank you very much.
Sorry, brother.
Sorry, don't worry, man.
Just come stand here and buy fireworks now.
They will be on to.
The boys look after me here. Big shot of fireworks. Got a big collection here. That's especially for me, that one, yeah? Thanks, man. Alright, let me just go make sure I got the car ready. Say again? How you doing, bro? Okay. Nah, I'm just round the corner, man. Light them all off in a minute. I live here now.
You moved back here?
Yeah. I got kids in it, so I thought back home, you know what I mean? What's your name? Sahil, nice to meet you, bro. Who? Oh, Was? Yeah. A good guy, man. Yeah.
Is this part 2 of the video?
This is going to be a mixture of Abu Dhabi vlog and back here. 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah.
You must have been.
I go back and forth in it, but I expect to live here with family, you know what I mean? That's the Instagram there. Obviously I'm going to go home now and show you lighting up the sky. But let's go say a big thank you to the boys for hooking up. Big shout out, guys.
Yes, let's have it. You know the shop.
Thank you very much.
Big shot of fireworks.
Big shot of fireworks. Hanif, thanks brother, appreciate it.
Nice one, respect, man.
Thanks guys.
Keep it fireworks in town.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright guys, come check them out, yeah? Nice one. This is called the Proton Bomb. Okay? This is the first one, Proton Bomb. You can stay there.
Stay next to me, Cammy, Nora. Come stand next to me. Harris, how do I zoom in? Never mind. Oh, I bet he's just run through. Oh my gosh.
This one's called Starlight. It's a 16 shot aerial display. Let's see what's all that.
We'll see, it'll just be a harsh cut to the trees on fire.
Yeah. Have you got the phone number for fire?
Oh,
Right.
Right, go on.
This one's called the Paparazzi, and they gave me this one especially for me being a vlogger. It's a camera, so let's see what it's all about. After dark, 30 shot. Thunderbolt 25 shotter, let's do it. Steve's lighting one of these right now, Air Jam 2. Oh, that was nice. Oh, that's beautiful.
Come on, come in. Put your hand down. Come in, quick.
Let me go to them, look. Don't run out, they'll stay there.
Oh, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. This one on my phone, sorry.
These are good ones, these.
These are the bad boys.
Harris, move further back.
We'll be quiet.
No, don't touch that one. Don't touch it.
What's Daddy doing?
Massive shout out to Big Shot of Fireworks in Bradford. Check out the information below. They did me an amazing deal. Massive fireworks for a really good price. And I've only done a few of them here because obviously it's late at night, it's Sunday night. I'm going to Germany tomorrow, so I'm not going to be here for bonfire night. But my mother-in-law, father-in-law, my dad, my wife, they're all going to let loads of the rest of them off pretty much on bonfire night itself, where it's obviously okay to let off loads of fireworks. Right now it's just a normal Sunday night, so it's a bit of a mad one. And then we've got one big one over there called On The Run, which is like 200 shot firework. It's mental, man. It's like a big massive exhibition firework. I'm going to have to let that one off another time because that's not going to be a good idea to let that off in my back garden. I'm thinking about doing that at some point when I'm doing a shoot, maybe like a car shoot or something, or some other form of shoot. I will put that on for like a nice little shot in the video, and obviously I'll give them guys another shout out in that separate video as well. But yeah, honestly, those guys did me a massive discount, so make sure you go check them out, and they'll do you a good discount. Whenever you go there, just make sure you let them know that I sent you, and they'll sort you guys out a good discount as well. Obviously, bonfire night's a few days away, so you've got time to go in and get some fireworks in, and yeah, make sure you send me your pictures and videos and stuff on my Instagram, and I look forward to seeing you guys letting off your fireworks too. And yeah, man, thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be vlogging again when I'm in Germany as well, and stay tuned for more vlogs coming soon. Yeah, all right, safe.
Baby, the love that you give takes me to heaven, to paradise. Every note that you sing tells me I'm doing